Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox my new Accenture Welcome kit. So let's unbox it. We have received a bag. As you can see, Accenture bag. Let's open it. Wow. This is the Accenture bag. Let's see what's inside. This is empty. This is the inside view. Here we are getting compartments. Here we are getting two compartments for laptop. This is space for laptop. Apart from this, I have not received the keychain from Accenture. Some of them were saying that keychain is being sent by Accenture, but in this I have not received any keychain. So this was the unboxing of Accenture bag. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.